how can I plan for long-term care? A roadmap. 70% of Americans over the age of 65 will require some form of long-term care. And by that, we just simply mean care that's not going to end, right? If you go to the hospital with a broken leg, you might be in the hospital for a little bit. You might have a cast, you might need some rehab, but it ends when you heal. Long-term care, on the other hand, well, it is exactly what it implies. It's long-term support that you're going to need indefinitely. And in most cases, you're going to need more and more over time. The cost can be extraordinary. Like we've seen clients spending over $20,000 a month per person for long-term care. Are you worried about this? Are you prepared for this? This talk is a roadmap. Now let's talk about estate planning tools and the critical estate planning tools that we need to have in place. What are these critical tools?
I think the most important introductory comment, and this is obvious the moment you think about it. If you have a vanilla plan where just no real thought was given to it, no thought to the possibility or the 70% probability that you'll need some form of long-term care, you might not, probably won't have some of the critical language that you need in those documents. Everybody's different. We need to be prepared for these situations. So your revocable trust, it is relevant to these planning opportunities. If you don't structure things properly, you might lose benefits. You need to empower individuals to make changes that might be needed. The durable power of attorney can be the most critical document in this context of asset protection, qualifying for government benefits. Bottom line, with the power of attorney, there needs to be explicit language that deals with long-term care challenges, empowering the individual you choose to make the changes that are needed. Of course, do you want to age in place and stay at home no matter what? Or what? What are the issues you want to address? Your document needs to be explicit so that your healthcare decision-making agent knows what you want, takes all the appropriate steps to make sure that your wishes are honored. It needs to be coordinated with these points in mind.
Yeah, we can help you and we can help. We've helped hundreds and hundreds of families to make sure they have the right provisions in those documents. So even if, God forbid, you don't work with us, you have to make sure that your documents include the right provisions around long-term care asset protection planning and tax planning. So just having that up-to-date plan, revisiting it every 3 to 5 years, making sure the right people are empowered in these documents. That's really what they are, right? You're empowering someone through a legal document and you got to give them the right powers. Got to make sure that's all in place. Easily contact us at gilfix.com. You can contact us at 650-493-8070, 650-493-8070. And as my mom likes to say, I hope everybody stays safe, sane, and healthy. Let's all stay on top of this. We got your back. Have a great rest of your day.